Hello BFF, welcome back to our channel Sus Beauty Cosmetic. This is Mayur, your favorite makeup expert. Guess what? So today we are recreating Aditi Rao wedding look. So let's start. So we are already done with the base. So let's start with eye makeup look. For eye makeup look, we are using Power Stays eyeshadow palette. This palette, it has a very beautiful shade you can use for a day to night makeup look. For Aditi's wedding look, we are using same palette and it has all the shade to create the same look. So let's start. So for crease line, I'm using this shade. From this palette, I'm using this metallic shade. The good way to apply metallic shade, always use your ring finger and just apply center of your eyes. To create more drama on lashes, I'm using Swiss Beauty 4D Lift and Curl Mascara. This mascara, the wand is very unique, and the best part of this mascara, the same time you will get a nice curl, volume and lifting effect. So let's start. Now you can see her lashes. To uplift her cheeks, I'm using Swiss Beauty Cremata blush. This blush give you nice intense to her cheeks, and this blush she can use for her lips also and for her eyes also. So let's start. So now it's time to uplift her lips. For lips, I'm using Swiss Beauty Hold Me Matte Lipstick. So this time we are creating something extra. So we are adding one dark shade and one neutral shade together, and we will create a new shade for Aditi's wedding look. I hope you like this video and look. You want to create the same look, do not forget to shop from Swiss Beauty. If you want to see more video like this, you need to subscribe, share and like our video. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.